Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Spedal Automatic Wine Dispenser and Aerator. You'll receive the dispenser pump unit, two 11-inch rubber hoses, and an instruction manual. The Aerator pump dispenser is made from a lightweight plastic with a brushed nickel finish. It has a metal spout that extends 3 inches, and the unit sits 5.5 inches tall. At the top, the cap is wrapped in a soft-touch silicone rubber, and to open the battery bay, twist the cap counterclockwise and slide it up. Underneath, you'll have to install 4 AAA batteries, which are not included. Once installed, a fresh set of batteries can dispense over 200 full bottles of wine. Next, you'll want to attach one of the rubber hoses that will draw the liquid into the pump to the nipple on the bottom of the built-in stopper. Then, just insert the tube and seat the pump on top of any wine bottle. To start dispensing, press and hold the power button at the top of the unit. When you want to stop dispensing, release the button. Before using with your first bottle of wine, I recommend running plain water through a few times using an empty wine bottle. This is also how you would clean and flush the unit after use. When you use this dispenser with wine, and especially red wine, you'll notice that it adds a lot of air bubbles to the wine and makes it a bit frothy. This is how the pump aerates the wine to open up its bouquet and flavors for a deeper, fuller taste. This takes the place of opening the bottle of wine and transferring to a decanter to breathe for 30 minutes before drinking for instant results. The dispenser also doesn't pump the last half-inch or so of liquid out of a standard 750 milliliter bottle, which helps you avoid adding sediments to your glass. Most folks prefer their wine aerated if they'll be consuming it straight away after opening the bottle, and I agree that the aeration does tend to make the flavors more robust. It softens the edges a bit and smooths out the mouthfeel when compared to the same wine that hasn't been aerated. If anything, the wine dispenser is a cool conversation piece as well, and reduces the chances of drips, spills, and splashes when serving wine, and lets your guests easily pour as much or as little wine as they need into their glasses. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.